Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jiniga B. So today, you guys, we're going to be looking at how to make money online in Nigeria, how to make money online, how to earn 500 naira daily. Okay, so I'm going to be reviewing an income money making app called Amazon PFABI app, PBF Treasure app basically. So in the last 1 year during coronavirus, a lot of such apps and websites sprang up claiming to claiming that you when you perform certain tasks on their website, you can make money online. Now the truth of the matter is a lot of these apps or websites for the first 1 month 2 months thereabouts, people would make money, and after a while the apps or website crashes, or they are unable to make such payments. So I like to review these apps, okay, because it's important for us to have public information and educate ourselves. And if anybody has had any experience of being defrauded or not being able to withdraw their money, please tell us in the comment section. So this particular app is a new app, okay, and so the opportunity of still making money is still relatively, as at this point I'm filming this video, February 2021, is still pretty much high. Okay, so let's get into the review. So this is what the app looks like. You can't get the app on the Google Play Store. It is called PBFT Treasure. This is what it looks like. It has a polar bear whatever image on it. So you want to register. I've already registered. You cannot register except you use someone gives you a link, and so you can check the description box for my link and the code with which you would need to register. So in order to register, they are going to ask you for your phone number, your name, and the password you intend to use on their website. So this site works on a subscription model. Okay, so you have to subscribe at different levels. So the level in which you subscribe will determine the percentage of payment you get on the task assigned to you. So when anyone joins the platform, you are basically a junior member, and you are giving 500 naira to start up as a junior member, so you can perform tasks within this ornament area. So let's practicalize it. So you click on the ornament area, okay, and let's see what is currently in my account. So what's currently in my account is 102 naira. Okay, today's earning 3.99, because you can only do this 20 times if you are in the 500 naira area. So you order for something, and you can see it's saying search and crawl orders. Basically, from what, so we're going to purchase. Okay, so they are saying link to Amazon database order is being submitted. So the transaction was successful. So you can see that I've earned, I think, a naira and some kobo. So my money has increased from 3.99 naira to 4.76 naira. So you can keep doing this. I've only done it 5 times today, so I can do it 20 times in a day, and that's what I can do for a day at this level. All right, so that's for the what's it called now, for the junior member. So if you want to be an intermediate member, so you can earn more than 1 naira or more than 1 naira, so you have to you can withdraw twice a day on this plan. So you can pay to, I want to show you guys the amount to upgrade. So I want to pay with my Fidelity Bank account, so we're just going to put pay. So to do that is 2,500 naira if you want to upgrade to the next level. All right, so I'm just showing you guys. So if you want to upgrade from a junior member to the next level, so that your task can get more money, it is 2,500 naira. So if you want to upgrade to the senior member level, let's show you the price. Fidelity Bank pay. It is 5,000 naira. Can you see? 5,000 naira to upgrade. Okay, so we're not doing that, we're just showing you. So this is the membership level, so you can upgrade to any of this membership level. When you upgrade to any of this membership level, so for instance, if you upgrade to the intermediate level, you can carry out task in this place. You see now that I won't be able to do that because it says if the holding is less than 2,500, the order cannot be captured. So I can't use that particular section of this website. All right, so yeah, so that's for the first part. So your bank details, the reason why they need your bank details, you can what's the word now, so that you can withdraw your money. So you would include your name, mobile number, your bank account, and a different banks have different bank codes. Okay, the next thing is your withdrawal record. So when you withdraw, you know how much you have withdrawn. And if you can also recharge your accounts. So there are different options. You have 1,500, 5,000 naira, 15,000 naira, 25,000 naira, 50,000 naira, 10,000 naira, 15. If you guys are familiar with my bonus to you, GDAX, and some of all these other platforms, it is basically the same thing. So you can call their WhatsApp, but this WhatsApp here doesn't look valid. It's saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is not valid. But the app says according to bank regulations, you can only withdraw your money on working days, Monday to Fridays, and not on holidays. Okay, and when you register on the app, you get a gift of 500 naira, and whenever you refer people to join the app, you get a reward of 250 naira. So there's something here called order finance. I think these are the transactions that I have done so far. So yeah, these are transactions that I've done so far. So there's a financial product here where you can put in money for some days and earn. You can lock in your money for some days. Personally, I won't advise anyone to do this because most of these apps, you guys, you have to be careful. But if you have a high investment risk appetite, then that's your choice. But because first of all, I don't think they have license from the CBN to do that in Nigeria, but there are some people who have high, you can take risk, your risk appetite is very high, but I won't advise you to do this. But if you have a high risk appetite, you can lock in your money for a day and you're expected to get 5% interest rate, plan B 6.9 interest rate, plan C 8.8%, for so you have 7 days, term of 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, and 180 days. So you basically put in your money in the pool. They claim that this money is used to help vendors on the Amazon platform. That's what they claim anyway. I don't know about that, but I'm just telling you guys that these things are highly risky, so you want to be very, very careful. All right, so another way you can make money on this platform, aside carrying out the daily task, is to refer people to join the app, all right, to join the platform. So the first level of people, so if you invite somebody downloads the app and uses your code directly, you are going to get 10% commission of your friend's income. Then second level friends, that's the people that your friends refer, you get 8%, and third level 5%. Okay, so yeah, so you can refer people. Like I said, you have to have a referral code and the link, so you can check the description box for my code and for my link, because you cannot download this app on the Google Play Store. So you guys, at the moment, nobody has complained of not being able to withdraw their money because it is still very new. Okay, it is still very, very new. So if you want to join, it is at your own risk, because like I said, most of these things are highly risky. And yeah, so you want to have that at the back of your mind. And a lot of times, most of these websites crash after some time. So what most people do is that they try to get started when it's still very new, because eventually, like, I'm not trying to be pessimistic, but that's what happened most of the time. So remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, I create reviews on apps, on finance app, cryptocurrencies, and yeah, on all the and law, legal, and everything you need to know about making money online. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.